Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus, the topic that is about limit. So now I want to show you how to answer. We need to put about x squared over x in here. Next, we can put like this. Next, I will put number 2 on numerator and denominator. This one, number 5 on numerator and denominator. So we have the formula in here. Sine AX over AX. This one we know that equals to number 1. That means sine 2x over 2x equals to number 1, and sine 5x over 5x equals to number 1 when x approaches to number 0. And now we have like this. So we calculate this one, and we have number 2 over 15. This is the end. Thank you for watching.